Tired of guessing where your workday went? Today, we're jumping into Jira to master the art of summing up time spent, giving you the power to analyze your work and boost your project efficiency. First things first, you'll need to understand where the time spent data lives within Jira. Navigate to any issue where work has been logged while perhaps a task, a bug, or a story. Look for the time spent field. This is where each individual time entry is stored. Now, let's look at where our time entries are held. Click on Work Log here. You'll be able to see the time entries made. This is where you'll find the details of individual entries for each of your logged hours. See who logged it, the date, and of course, how long was spent here. You're also able to edit or add new entries. Your next step is usually what you are looking for, the grand total, or summing up. While Jira doesn't necessarily offer a built-in single total time button to display directly onto an issue like that, it keeps track of all the data in its database. There are a couple of ways to accomplish total duration. Here's an option. Use Jira's issue search function. Via the Issues tab, you can set up your custom filters to find all the issues for a project, a user, or even time period. Once you've got your filtered list, export the data by selecting Export and choose your desired format, such as CSV. The exported information can now be used to generate totals for the data. To get the total, start by downloading your data and view it in a spreadsheet program, such as Google Sheets, Excel, or Numbers. Locate the time spent or time spent seconds columns, then utilize the built-in function features such as sum or subtotal to add up the results. You should now have a single cell representing the total time spent on your issues. Now that you know how to find and export your spent time, analyze the data to enhance timelines and get a clearer picture of your workflow. Being able to see exactly where your time is spent helps you pinpoint any areas of inefficiency. Congratulations! You're now equipped to manage your time with precision.